We detected unusual options activity on RTX stock in the last 2 trading days. So in this video, we will analyze these 2 unusual trades to learn how wealthy investors are trading RTX during its strong momentum upwards in the past month, so we can also make money while the rich are getting richer on Wall Street. Now, if you're not familiar with RTX, this company, formerly known as Raytheon, they are a defense company providing advanced systems for the military and governments worldwide, such as the United States, with air and missile defense, smart weapons. So, is World War III coming? Nobody can be sure of this, but companies in this industry are definitely more profitable during times of war, such as the current wars happening between Russia and Ukraine and Israel and Hamas. So without further ado, let's find out how these wealthy investors have been trading RTX. As you can see on the options time and sales tape just yesterday, April 8th, August 16 options at the 110 strike calls, 2,498 options, price 258. Okay, so a quick calculation of the cost of this trade, 258 times 2,498 is $644,000. Now, when we take a deeper look at this trade, we want to make sure that these are opening trades and not closing trades. So you can see here for the April 8th yesterday, the 110 strike calls. For the August 16 options, 3,800 contracts, much greater than the open interest. So we know these are opening trades. Okay. And you can see that we are also in this position. Okay. The volume here is not showing up. It has been reset. It will re-update when the market opens. Okay, so these 110 strike calls that they were paying for 258, clearly opening trades. When we analyze it, you can see they are bullish long trades with a positive delta. If it was a bearish short, it would be a negative delta. And you can see as the price of RTX goes up, these call options become profitable immediately. That's the purple line. The blue line represents the profit at expiration, so the break even is much higher. Okay, so there is a theta decay by trading these long call options. So that is the risk. Okay, we simply followed the trade in the same position without having to develop our own option strategy because we use position sizing to manage the risk. We set up our option strategies for the trades that have higher chance of profit. All right. If you're interested in the higher chance of profit trades that we share on our website, make sure to go to that, check it out. For this trade, because it does not meet some of our criteria, such as being $1 million trade, as well as other variables, this is lower chance of profit in comparison to the trades that we share with our membership. Now, for the second unusual trade that happened on Friday, April 5th, because this happened Monday, April 8th, we can take a look at that. So on Friday, April 5th, trading day, the second unusual option trade that happened was a shorter term one. It was on April 19 options. You can see at the 102 strike calls, there were 5,000 contracts being traded. Majority of them were being open since the open interest was just 2,800. Okay. And so when you take a look at this trade here on the chain, you can see that the open interest is now increased here, 6,900, much greater than those 2,000 that were prior opening. Okay, so that is how we know these were opening trades, and most of them were being bought to open at this 102 strike calls. And so we are also in the same position as well, following this trade, simply position sizing because it does not meet our criteria for a high chance of profit trade. All right, and so if you are interested in those, make sure to go to our website. This trade, again, same, going bullish long on RTX with a positive delta as well. So we have these two unusual trades happening on RTX, implying that RTX has a good chance that it'll continue to go up higher, even though it has already gone up and overbought in a lot of the technical indicators. So if you trade on a technical basis, you may not necessarily get in now during overbought conditions, but because we trade based on the data of how wealthy investors are trading, we get in despite the technical analysis. Okay, we want to follow where the smart money is going because we believe they make better financial decisions, and that is why they get richer and richer on Wall Street. So if you're interested in more of their trades that have higher chance of profit, make sure to go to our website to learn more, and our option strategies as well. Let us know in the comments below what you think about RTX. Do you think it will continue to go up higher or not? Please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and have a wonderful day. Take care.